What's going on, everyone? You're watching Graffiti Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be taking you along with me to paint a portrait. It's not so much of a tutorial, but you will see me painting like in real time and time lapse, and you'll kind of be able to work out like what I'm doing and where I'm placing things, and you'll be able to work out like how I did it from just watching. But in the future I might make a like an actual tutorial video on how to do a portrait, but it's kind of hard to do a tutorial on a portrait because obviously they're all different. Like, people have different types of skin, different types of eyes, different types of hair, so it's hard to do a portrait tutorial. But I might do something in the future where I'll show you like how to lay them out and stuff like that. But anyway, so it's a bit of a controversial one. I decided to paint a portrait of Kanye West because, for those of you who don't know, I am a Christian and he recently become a Christian, and he released an album named Jesus is King. I filmed this video ages ago, like when that album first came out, and I was going to release it then, but had some problems with my laptop and that, so we wasn't able to edit the video or anything. But I basically made the video to like support him a bit, because I've heard like so many people like just slagging him off and that, like even Christians and stuff, saying, oh, he's not a true Christian, look what he's done in his past, blah blah blah, like just bringing up his past and that. But like, it doesn't really matter about your past. Like, when you're a Christian, when you become a Christian, you give your life to Jesus and he just makes you new and gives you a second chance in life, and that's what Christianity is all about. And there's too many people trying to drag Kanye down, so I painted the portrait just for a bit of fun and just to give him a bit of support and say that I'm behind him and that I'm praying for him and supporting him. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, we're at the spot. Just this random abandoned place. Just get inside there, have a look around, see what it's saying, and find a water paint.
Don't even much bother following me, cause I'm a hit low, tiptoe, do the slit though, slick flow, Crisco, in the wrist though, get money, sex broad, I was split though, they told me I'd be missing the fun, my life lit though. Here just some spiritual verses created to purge us from sorrows of our homies and hearses and people who hurt us, fellas who weren't taught to be men, from daddies no searchers to ladies trying to eat, get the generational. So all my real people, please stand up, and if you're down for change, let your mind pan up. I'm like an angelic beast off the leash, and I'm here for they neck, place fear through they flesh, because my whole I was a threat. Let's go.
This is one of my pieces that I painted in here the other week. And I was in here with a few lads. If you want to see more of my personal work, follow me there. Spray Saint, Spray Saint on Instagram. So give us a follow, give us a message, say hello. Right, so I found a nice water paint and I've buffed it, so we're ready to go. But the most important thing to do before you start to paint a portrait is to eat a Cornish pasty.
Pull up on your team. We walking at that straight and narrow, can't afford to lean. It's money, sexing in the pair, yeah, we know the dream. They screaming Jesus never lived, yeah, we know the scheme. I represent a God who put your soul in a headlock and have you running the streets till they think you from bedrock. It's one thing when he's speaking ebonics, but it's a whole nother issue when he's speaking demonic. I mean, how you handle it? Who you call on? When the plan is hit, who you fall on? My generation lost, lane ain't mastered. My own moonwalk, brain on backwards. I ain't come to play, I come to kill him. They know see blood gon' hit him like that Thriller in Manila. He touched the ruler evil while he lusted for that Skrilla. She doesn't see her beauty till she put on that concealer. Y'all ain't trying to address it, man. See, I was born just a pressing man on that Malachi 310. Go and test it, man. Fly like a butterfly, sting like a wasp. Grab a rope, put it in a slingshot, let it out. Yeah, they try to boo it. I'm screaming, won't he do it? Had the spirit flowing through your car like motor fluid. Nice and sweet, wouldn't work. Had to add some orbit to it. Growing up, I had pride, had to add some orbit to it. So I do this for my siblings who rejecting this work. Can't verify truth, so they leaving the church. To them, religion is a noose and they feeling the hurt. Was thought the white man actually created the verse, but that don't even make sense. If Jesus truly was white, then he would've wrote him as such and made prints. Now when I say the name Jesus, you mad tense, but rather listen to a lame ass pastor who mad dense. Independent, so these labels ain't collaring me. And if you hate God, you gon' have a problem with me. I stay connected to the vine like it's soldering me. So if you fake, don't even much bother following me, cause I'm a hit low, tiptoe, do the slit though, slick flow, Crisco, in the wrist though, get money, sex broad, I was split though. They told me I'd be missing the fun. My life lit though. Here just some spiritual virtues created to purge us from sorrows of our homies and hearses and people who hurt us. Fellas who weren't taught to be men, from daddies, no searchers, to ladies trying to eat, get the generational. So all my real people, please stand up. And if you're down for change, let your mind pan up. I'm like an angelic beast off the leash, and I'm here for they neck, place fear through their flesh, because my whole album's a threat. Let's go. Helium. I told y'all leave me alone, right? They ain't wanna leave me alone. Violate them, matter of fact, annihilate them. You hate them cause they rockin' with God, but I'll take them. You hate them cause they pullin' your card, but I'll pay them. You tryna lead them away from the Lord, but I'll bait them up. Blood on the track, calling in the murder scene. Christ life, bruh, you already know the team. They started talking reckless, so I had to intervene. I hit it tryna test it, had to pull up on the scene. Pull up on the scene, pull up on your team. We walking at that straight and narrow, can't afford to lean. It's money, sex, and in the pair, yeah, we know the dream. They screaming Jesus never lived, yeah, we know the scheme. I represent a God who put your soul in a headlock and have you running the streets till they think you from bedrock. It's one thing when he's speaking ebonics, but it's a whole nother issue when he's speaking demonic. I mean, how you handle it? Who you call on? When the plan is hit, who you fall on? My generation lost, lane ain't mastered. My own moonwalk.
Right, so that's the main portrait part done, guys. Just about to move on to the background now. Got to do his jacket down the bottom and stuff like that. I'm just going to do a load of like random graffiti in the background and stuff, not make it too much because otherwise it's going to take away from the actual portrait. But as you can see, it's starting to look good now. But what's important before you move on to the next part, like the background and the t-shirt and jacket and all that, is to eat your blueberry muffin.
The white man actually created the verse, but that don't even make sense. If Jesus truly was white, they would've wrote him as such and made Prince. Now when I say the name Jesus, you mad tense, but rather listen to a lame ass pastor who mad dense. Independent, so these labels ain't collaring me. And if you hate God, you gon' have a problem with me. I stay connected to the vine like it's soldering me. So if you fake, don't even much bother following me. Cause I'ma hit low, tiptoe, through the slit though, slick flow, Crisco, in the wrist though, get money, sex broad, I was split though. They told me I'd be missing the fun, my life lit though. Here just some spiritual virtues created to purge us from sorrows of our homies and hearses and people who hurt us. Fellas who weren't taught to be men, from daddies, no searchers, to ladies trying to eat, get the generational. So all my real people, please stand up. And if you're down for change, let your mind pan up. I'm like an angelic beast off the leash, and I'm here for they neck, place fear through their flesh, because my whole album's a threat. Let's go. Helium. Here we go. This here is for my homies who be going hard, battling with them struggles just to serve the Lord. Riding past a hitter like a motor car. Only reason why you hating cause you know I raw. I am because he is, and that's the gratitude. Helium, that's the latitude. Contemplating, doing what I had to do. Just getting started, failing, you know I would act a fool. I ain't perfect, that's my attitude. It ain't worth it, I ain't mad at you. You're steady tryna play me cause my faith is new. But I got one thing to say to you. Wait until I drop, 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 wait